Good morning, sir. Uh, good day. I am Reimer J. Balongkas, a certified forensic document examiner. Today, I will be presenting the findings and analysis of question document examination conduct in connection with case entitled Estafa or Swindling through falsification of receipt. And this is my question document comparison chart. And this is my exhibit A, self-proving affidavit. Number 1, blunt, beginning. And 2, sharp ending strokes. And 3, retracing or retouching. 4, loop. 5, pressure. And this is my exhibit B, notarized well. Number 1, beginning stroke. Number 2, beginning stroke. Number 3, H. Number 4, retracing. And this is my exhibit C, ending stroke, retracing, beginning stroke, retracing. Number 5, H. Number 6, retracing. Number 7, retracing. Number 8, retracing. And that's all. And this is my report question document number 617-2023. A case of estafa through falsification of receipt was reported by Mendez Construction Supply against Marco Luis Estafa, logistics coordinator. Or Estafa alleged forged the signature of Mr. Lubatero B. Abila on 3 payment authorization form totaling 72,500. Forensic handwriting analysis was conducted to verify the authenticity of the signature. Comparison shows clear difference between the question signature and Mr. Abila's genuine one, including variation and pen pressure, stroke fluency, and letter formation. Nobility: the question signature closely matched Estafa's handwriting. Conclusion: the signature on the document were forged authorized by Marco Luis Estafa, not by Mr. Avila. And the case is closed. Thank you.